Hi guys, now a lot of people started accusing this new feature of being copied from TikTok. Well, it is actually a copy of TikTok, but who cares? It is a feature that can help you to grow your page quickly. So if you're someone who wants to grow your Instagram page quickly, then you should start exploiting this feature. Now, to give an introduction about Instagram Reels are just short videos that you can post on Instagram. Initially, you had a limit of 15 seconds, and then later, Instagram updated it to 30-second videos. And currently, at the moment that I'm making this video, Instagram Reels can be as long as 60 seconds. Great! Now let me tell you why you should use Instagram Reels. So I have two reasons to tell you to use Instagram Reels. So the first reason that I have would be an example of a page. As you can see on the screen, this is a page on Instagram and its username is Sneak Peek. So what they do is that they post contents related to dancing. So they started their Instagram page by posting only Reels, and even today their growth strategy is solely based on Instagram Reels. So the reach of this page grew from 0 to 15,000 within few months, and from 15,000 to 19,000, as you can see on the screen, within less than a year of starting their page. And guess what? Their reach was so huge that they even went on television. So what I want to tell you is that you can also grow your Instagram page to a massive number of followers. All you have to do is that you just have to post your Instagram Reels consistently. Now let me tell you another reason why you should post your contents on Instagram Reels. So that reason is based on technical reasons of the UI designs of Instagram. Now as you can see, I've shown the user interface or the UI design of Instagram before Instagram Reels came into the picture. So as you can see, before Instagram Reels were introduced on Instagram, we only had the search icon at the bottom. So when people get bored and when they wanted to kill time, they just click into that search button and view the posts in the Instagram Explore tab. So when that was the case, most of your views might come from the Explore tab. But after Instagram introduced the Instagram Reels, you can see that they had changed the design. And as you can see, the search icon went to the top and the Reels tab was at the bottom. So when this design is implemented on Instagram, you can see that it's obvious that the reach from Instagram Reels would skyrocket and the reach from the search tab or the Explore section would reduce drastically. Now this is because your thumb is closer to the Reels tab and it is very far away from the Explore tab. So people would be really lazy to click at the search tab, and it would be easier for them to click into the Reels tab and view your Instagram Reels. And that is the reason why the reach of Instagram Reels grew rapidly. Now currently when I'm recording this video, this is how my UI design or the user interface of Instagram looks like for me. So one thing which you have to notice that the UI design would be different for different accounts, and at times it would be different for different countries. Now in the design that I've shown on the screen, we have both the search tab as well as the Reels tab at the bottom. But here too, it is very obvious that people are most likely to click into the Reels tab and watch Instagram Reels instead of clicking on the search icon and scrolling through your posts. So you might ask me why? Well, the answer is simple. The Reels tab is at the center and people are easily influenced by what is at the center. So my point is, even today Instagram is focusing on Instagram Reels growth, and therefore it is a good opportunity to explode our Instagram reach using Instagram Reels. So those were the two reasons why I would recommend you to start using Instagram Reels. Post consistently and you will definitely see growth. Now let me show you how to post an Instagram Reel. As you can see on the screen, open the Instagram app and click on the plus icon at the top. And at the bottom, as shown on the image on the right, you have to choose the Reel section. And now on the left side, you can see that Instagram Reels has a lot of features like adding music. You can choose between 15-second, 30-second or 60-second videos. Then you have filters, you have grids and all those kinds of things. So just try to play around with those features and check them out all. So now there are two ways that you can create an Instagram Reel. Either you can upload it from your gallery, or you can just click on that Reel icon and you'll be able to record your video. Now in my case, I've uploaded a video from my gallery, and as you can see, after uploading your video from the gallery or after recording your video, you have the option to trim your video at the bottom. So after trimming your video, at the top you have the add button. Just click on that add button. So after clicking on that add button, you will see what is shown on the right side of the slide. And on the right side you have the option to add music and all those kinds of things again. So just click on the preview tab and you'll be able to preview your video. So as you can see on the image on the left, you have the preview option, and at the top there are features like music, record audio, filters, stickers, and you can even type text and all those kinds of things. So try to play around with those features, and after all those things you have the next button. Click on the next button, and after clicking on the next button you will see what is on the right side of the slide. You'll be able to write a caption, so that is where you post the 30 hashtags along with your caption. So I've shown this before in the hashtag research section on how to write a caption and how to put your Instagram hashtags. So put your 30 hashtags for Instagram Reels, and at the bottom you have the share button. Click on the share button and your Instagram Reel would be uploaded. So that is all about the introduction on Instagram Reels. So I hope you understood the importance of Instagram Reels, and I hope you understood how to post an Instagram Reel. And in the next video, we'll be talking a bit deeper about Instagram Reels. We'll be talking about how to explode your Instagram growth using Instagram Reels. So in order to explode your Instagram reach using Reels, you have to do two things. So let's take it one by one. Now the first thing is you have to understand how the algorithm works for Instagram Reels. So the algorithm is simple. It works on watch time. So by that what I mean is that you have to make your audience watch your entire 15-second or 30-second or 60-second Reels video. Now as you can see on the screen, this is the timeline for a 30-second video. So in order to make your audience watch your entire video, you have to catch the attention of your audience within the first 3 to 5 seconds. So if you successfully create a sense of curiosity in the first 3 to 5 seconds, then your audience would obviously watch the entire video. Now for example, one idea for Instagram Reels would be 3 ways to earn passive income. So people would watch till the end to know about all the 3 ways to earn, right? Now I've also seen people begin their Instagram Reels by saying that the ending will surprise you. So obviously people would watch till the end, right? Now those were just 2 ideas for Instagram Reels to make your audience watch the entire Instagram Reel that you're posting. Well, the key takeaway from this is that create funny, relatable, informative and quality contents for your Reels, and the algorithm would obviously show your Reels to a huge number of people. Okay, now the second method to explore your Instagram Reels reach is to use the features of Reels according to the latest trend. Now that is a very broad and a very vague statement, right? Don't worry, when I say to use the latest trend of Instagram Reels, I usually focus on 2 things. So the first thing is to use the trending songs or the trending audios in your Instagram Reels. Now I will show you how to find the trending audios on Instagram Reels. As you can see, open the Instagram app and click on the Reels tab at the bottom. And as you can see on the screen, Instagram shows an arrow next to the audio that is trending on Instagram Reels. And on the right you can see that there won't be an arrow if the audio isn't a trending audio. So when you go through Instagram Reels, just take a note of the audios with an arrow mark next to the audio and use those audios for your Instagram Reels. Now to speak of my personal experience, the highest reach that I've got for an Instagram Reel is around 611,000 or 611k views for my Instagram Reels. So you can see that on the screen. I actually reposted this reel from some other account, and the post was just a quote with the background music of a piano. So initially I didn't know about the music which was being played, but all of a sudden the Reels started getting traction like anything. And from the comments, I figured it out that the song was Butterfly by the Korean band BTS. And I'm pretty sure that you might have heard of this band called BTS. They have a BTS army and all those kind of things. So it is a very famous band, and for that reason this audio was a trending audio, and therefore it helped my Instagram Reels to explode like anything. So my advice is to find out the trending audio and use it in your Instagram Reels. And I've showed you how to find the trending audio in the previous section. Just check for the arrows next to the audio. Now the second trending feature that you should use in your Instagram Reels is to use trending filters on your Instagram Reels. Now to find out the trending filters that people use on their Instagram Reels, as you can see on the screen, open the Reels section on your Instagram app, and on the side you have the filter symbol as shown on the left image. Now click on it. So after clicking on it, you will see what I've shown on the right image, and you have a trending tab at the top. So just click on that trending tab to view the latest trending filters of Instagram Reels used by people across the globe. So those were the two trending features that I wanted you to use on your Instagram Reels. Use the trending audios and use the trending filters, and your Reels are obviously going to get a lot of reach.